Would you believe you could create a truly luxurious, affordable spa Ayurvedic body treatment right from your own kitchen? Using mineral-rich Himalayan salts and chai spices like ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom, you can create a body skincare treatment blend that not only polishes, brightens, and nourishes your skin, but works on a deeply therapeutic level. This is a skincare treatment that starts with the ingredients you already have in your kitchen. However, for those who want to take it a step further, you have the option to include essential oils, transforming it into a full sensory ritual. Either way, it's a simple skincare treatment that creates radiant, rejuvenated skin. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so excited to share this with you today. As someone who absolutely loves holistic spa treatments, especially this time of year after the summer sun, nothing beats the grounding, invigorating, rejuvenating power of these chai spices. This scrub is one of my favorite fall rituals, and I cannot wait for you to try it. Let's start with the base. I recommend using skin nourishers like jojoba oil, vegetable glycerin, and vitamin E oil for the ultimate moisturizing experience. Jojoba oil closely mimics your skin's natural sebum, so it delivers hydration quickly and effectively without feeling greasy, and it won't clog your pores. Vegetable glycerin is a powerful humectant, locking moisture in your skin to keep it hydrated. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It nourishes, protects your skin from free radicals, and locks in moisture so your skin stays smooth, soft, and radiant. This is the heart of the ritual and the part you can do entirely with ingredients from your pantry. The spices are your powerful topical treatment. They resurface, smooth, brighten, improve circulation, and help detoxify the skin. Ginger root is a potent anti-inflammatory that actively supports cell regeneration, helping your skin heal and firm up. Cardamom is antioxidant rich, helping to brighten, soften, and balance the skin. And energetically, it uplifts the spirit. Nutmeg gently resurfaces, helping to fade dark spots and improve overall texture. Cinnamon powder is a gentle stimulant, encouraging collagen production, and a powerful natural antiseptic to help with those breakouts. Black pepper boosts microcirculation. By increasing blood flow, it flushes toxins and brings true radiance to the surface. For those who want to elevate this to a full sensory ritual, we add the aromatherapy upgrade with essential oils. These oils can penetrate at a cellular level, providing therapeutic benefits from the inside out. Cinnamon awakens the skin with heat and vitality. It enhances glow, refines texture, and it's a powerful antioxidant that fights signs of aging while lifting your spirit. Cardamom smooths and tones the skin, promoting detoxification and protects with antioxidants. Its scent clears the mind and leaves you feeling calm and luminous. Star anise refines and tightens the skin, calms inflammation, and its antioxidants slow early aging. Its sweet aroma balances energy and restores serenity. Ginger boosts circulation, brightens dull skin, and supports firmness. Its antioxidants protect from aging, while its spicy warmth melts away tension and energizes the senses. Our final foundational ingredient is the Himalayan pink salt. This is far more than just a simple exfoliator. These salts contain up to 84 essential trace minerals, which are easily absorbed by your skin during the scrub. The true therapeutic ritual happens in the shower. Apply the scrub to damp skin, not soaking wet. Massage using slow, mindful circular motions. Start at your feet and work your way up towards your heart. This technique maximizes the circulatory boost from those chai spices and helps with lymphatic drainage. And here's my pro tip. After rinsing the scrub, don't wash it all off completely. Leave a trace amount of the scrub on your skin so it can prolong the hydration and the therapeutic effects. I recommend doing the scrub after a hot shower when your skin is warm and supple, then relaxing for the night or heading straight to bed. This allows the jojoba, chai spices, and optional essential oils to continue working and doing their job, providing lasting results and relaxation overnight. And the aromatic warmth of the Ayurvedic spices are inherently calming and relaxing to the senses. Take a moment to breathe in the warmth of these ancient botanicals and feel your energy shift. And whether you keep it simple with kitchen spices and Himalayan salt or adding essential oils, you're connecting with a timeless Ayurvedic practice that awakens your skin's natural intelligence, renews your body, and uplifts your spirit. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, share, and comment below. Tell me how your chai spice experience made you feel. And remember, true beauty begins with intention, and every time you experience this scrub, you're practicing mindful self-care that radiates from the inside out and the outside in.